going to try multiple camera angles this time. We're going to be covering over a canvas that has a painting that I just never really cared for the composition. I was trying to recreate a smaller version of a painting I called Oyster, which was one of my early favorites, and a dear friend purchased it, and I was trying to make a larger version of it. Just never really cared for the color scheme, so we're going to try recreating another painting that I really like on a larger scale, the one that I entitled New Favorite, which also sold, and I'm hoping that I can maybe have more success with this recreation, so we'll see. Alright, so first we're going to cover it with silver. The sun a little bit today, as you can see, but it looks like I've got a decent shot from above with the lighting. We're gonna try to do a recreation of my new favorite, which was purchased by the sweet Cathleen Ozmore, and we might try it a couple times, but this is the first try. So we've got a black, coating it, and then we'll go with our micaceous oxide. And then our burnt sienna. Then gold. Gotta love my gold, and my pearl makes it nice and buttery and fiery. I love it. Last but not least, we got that pearl. Alright. Behind me, I have some paper towels and a spray bottle with just water in it. That's all we're going to do. So we're going to swipe down and then up in 3 sections. First section. So we'll go down and cooperate paper towel up. Drip if you want to, 'cause you know you want to. Oops, but not on the floor. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Then we'll do it again. Section number 2, down, lay down. Then we'll go up. And last but not least, in the center, go down. Come on, paper towel. Oh my God. That was stupid. I'm gonna have to redo that. that. Maybe. Hey, here's a tip. Give yourself a second to decide if maybe the happy accents aren't that awful. So what I had folded part of the paper towel back because it was a little long, and forgot when I went back this way that it was folded back and it left a thing, but maybe that's lovely. I think it might be lovely. I think I'm going to leave it. I think I like it. And I love the fiery, ooh yeah, look at that. There's the fiery gold into the butter with the brown. Yeah, can't wait for y'all to see that in better lighting. Sorry that the sun is fighting me this afternoon. Thought I would get a painting session in before the sun shone directly at me, but it's not happening. But this is good. I like it. So again, favorite new color scheme. Iridescent silver background with carbon black, micaceous oxide, iridescent micaceous oxide, burnt sienna, iridescent pearl, iridescent gold, reversing that order, and swipey swipe. I like it. We'll pop some air bubbles here. I dig it. I hope you do. We'll see you in a second. This one is pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know if you can see the shimmer as I rotate around, but so this is huge. It's 24 by 48, 2 feet by 4 feet. And it is a recreation of a smaller painting that I did that Cathleen Ozmore purchased at my open studio tour back in September. I just loved it so much and missed it so much and was so happy with it. I wanted to try to do it on a larger scale, so this is the Big Mama version. And I just love the fading of the fiery orange that happens with the way the gold interacts with the burnt sienna. It's just pretty awesome. And I thought that was a mess up where the paper towel was folded, but I love it now. I think it adds a lot to it, and it's sort of, that is sort of mirrored down here with whatever's happening there, and so I just feel like I've sort of got the rule of thirds going on. I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys are. Let me know what you think. Hey, did you know that I have a Patreon now as well as a Teespring account? You can support me by becoming a patron, or you could buy some merch. There's a banner down below where you can buy t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, kids shirts, also coffee mugs. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell if you want to get notified of my next videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.